Hey, my name is Jair and today I'll be harvesting my hop plant. I'll be going over when to harvest it, what to pay attention to, and lastly how to preserve and store your hop. Now, why would you grow hop in the first place? Well, there's really only one reason, and that is to brew beer with it. Because inside the hop bells there are these lupuline lobes, and they contain the alpha acids and the essential oils that both give flavor to the beer but also help it preserve. So when do you want to harvest your hop? Well, traditionally the first 2 weeks of September is when the majority of hop harvest takes place, but it can vary depending on climate and region. So things to look out for that tell you that your hop bells are ready to harvest. First of all, the color doesn't necessarily depict if they're ready or not. So for example, they don't have to be entirely green. This one over here is a little bit more brown, but it's still okay to harvest and to use. When you squeeze the hop bell, it must feel a little bit like dry paper. Another thing is smell. So if you break open the hop bell and you rub the inside a little bit, if you don't smell anything, then you're probably too early. If it smells like garlic, then you're probably too late. So what should it smell like? Well, it's a little bit difficult to describe, but for those of you who have once drank an IPA beer, that's what it should smell like. So another sign that your hop is ready for harvest is that you can see the yellow lupuline lobes inside of the hop bell that you can see over here. Now, in some regions they actually celebrate the first hop harvest of the year with a big party, or also a few weeks later the first batch of beer brewed with said hop. Okay, so the harvest is now done. We're going home to dry the hop and also store it. Now, when you have harvested your hop, there's two things you can do. You can immediately use them to brew beer, or you can store them, in which case you need to dry them. Now, there are several ways to dry hop. You can use a dehydrator, you can put it on a steel mesh, or in my case I have tied up a towel and just put the hop in there like a hammock. The important thing is that you dry the hop quickly after harvest because the aromas in the hop are very fleeting, so you want to store them as quickly as possible. Now, it's important for the hop to stay dry and ideally in a ventilated place such as outside. Mostly 24 hours is enough in my experience, but you can also tell when the hop bell has opened up a little bit like this. Then you'll know it's ready to store. Now, once your hop has dried, you can put them either in a pot or you can put them in a seal bag like I'm doing over here. Be sure to label your pot or your seal bag and then put them in the fridge. It's best to use the hop within 3 to 6 months after storing it because, like I said, the aromas are fleeting and they will eventually dissipate and you will have less of aroma in your beer. So now you know when to harvest your hop and how to store it. Happy hopping!